Today, we're reviewing the Shark StainForce HX095BRN, a compact cordless spot and odor remover designed for quick cleanup of unexpected messes. This portable unit promises to tackle spills on carpets, upholstery, and even car interiors with its unique dual-activated cleaning solution. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's dive into how the StainForce performs in real-world scenarios, particularly its effectiveness on. This unit's spray, scrub, and extraction process is very effective for tackling fresh spills. Being cordless and lightweight, this cleaner is incredibly practical for use in cars, on stairs, and across upholstery. Portability is a major strength, thanks to its compact, handheld design and separate spray bottle. For set-in stains, the activated formula and suction do perform well, but results vary based on the stain's age and the StainForce excels as an immediate response cleaner, perfect for dealing with those unexpected spills quickly. Next, we examine the value proposition of the Shark StainForce, considering its initial cost. The quick setup and cordless operation provide substantial convenience. The package provides good value, including the main unit, a versatile tool, a full-size cleaning solution, and charging accessories. This portable unit offers impressive versatility, capable of addressing stains on various surfaces, from carpets to car interiors. Ongoing formula cost is a consideration, as the system relies on Shark's proprietary dual-activated solution. The true value of this system lies in its speed and grab-and-go portability for frequent small. Finally, let's address potential buyer risks and common complaints, offering a complete picture before. Evidence for long-term reliability is still limited, as this is a newer product family. Cleaning and maintenance after use require care to ensure no residue builds up. This cleaner's best performance is tied to Shark's dual-activated formula, which creates an ongoing refill dependency. While portability is a strength, some users note small details regarding dedicated charging positions. The main uncertainties involve its long-term reliability and the effort required for post-use maintenance. The Shark StainForce HX095BRN is a strong recommendation for anyone needing a quick, portable solution for localized stains. Its cordless design and effective workflow make it ideal for pet owners, parents, and car owners. Just remember it's a spot cleaner, not a whole room solution, and factor in the ongoing cost of proprietary refills.